Hi, I'm Cindy Brown with All Tunes, and today we're working on a '08 Chevy Uplander. The problem this car having is that it won't start, no crank. They bring it here to the shop, and we do a few tests on the vehicle, try to see what's going on with it. So let's show you what's the main problem with this vehicle. Now when you turn the vehicle on, this is what you're getting. No start, no crank. This is what shows up on the dash. Turn the key on. Nothing. Nothing. This is what's showing up on the dash when you put the car in crank position. Okay, so we turn the ignition on and we're getting this sound. You hear that sound right there? That coming from this relay right here. We look at it, it's a ignition main. So this is the ignition relay right here, and it keep making that noise. Unplug it, it goes away. Plug it back up. So telling me something if not getting something, either ground or constant something if not getting. So we start checking all our basic, checking all the fuses. So we check all the fuses, make sure all the fuses are good. Check all the loose connection on the battery, make sure everything is good. So what I did now is pull the relay and start checking to see what is missing. Getting constant, definitely getting constant. What it look like if not getting, it's a ground. This pin right here should be a ground pin. Okay, so what it look like missing on this vehicle, it look like it might be a ground that missing on this vehicle. So I start checking all the ground connectors to see where they are at. I see no ground on the engine. So what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna take this piece of wire and I'm gonna take we're looking at the relay here. We're gonna take 85. I'm gonna check to see what's going on and pin 85 when after I plug the relay back in. That should have been giving me a 12 volts. That should have been that should be a ground. So let me give it a ground, see if it's gonna make any difference. Okay, you see that? As soon as I take that main fuse, that main relay, and inject ground to it, look at that. It went away. The noise went away. So I inject ground into it. And here the noise went away. That telling me that we have a engine ground problem. Why this car would not start. So I'm gonna ground that relay and I'm gonna see if this engine will start. Okay, it's trying to start. Telling me that something, it's definitely a ground problem, but maybe because it needed the engine ground, this is not enough have enough current traveling through it, why it won't start. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to set up a temporary ground to see if the engine will start. Take a piece of ground wire here, alligator clips, take one end to the battery ground, and I'm going to take one end and clip it on top of the engine with an alligator clip, just to see if this engine will start. There we go. It started. So that means we have an improper ground on this vehicle, while all these relays are making the ignition relays making noise, and it's not having a ground output. I'm gonna go ahead and ground this engine and see if this is gonna fix this problem permanently. Okay, so what we just did, we pulled this bolt out. We use a thick 4-gauge wire. We run it from the top of the engine right there, and we run it right here, ground it, and now we're about to see if this engine will start. Now we're cranking. Voila. So 08 Uplander, no start, no crank, problem all along, a bad ground wire. So that's how we fix a 08 Uplander with a bad ground.